Getting pregnant is not always easy, especially for first-time moms. If you and your partner have been trying to conceive for a while now but with no success, it may be time to look into alternative ways to get pregnant fast. There are numerous home remedies that claim to increase fertility in women and make getting pregnant faster and easier. Whether you're planning a family or hoping to start one soon, it's important to understand the advantages and disadvantages of these simple DIY solutions that can help you get pregnant faster. Depending on your individual situation, making changes to your diet or adopting new habits could either have a positive impact on your chances of conceiving, or have negligible effects on your ability to become pregnant. There are some basic home remedies from which women can boost their fertility and get pregnant fast. Cut down on stress. Compared to women who don't have fertility issues, infertile women frequently exhibit higher levels of depression. Additionally, the actual fertility therapy procedures themselves may increase the stress that infertile couples already feel. However, stress has varied effects on different people. It's likely that you feel pressured as a result of your long-term infertility treatment. Stress, on the other hand, is one of the most important factors in conception. To increase your fertility, try to unwind and get rid of any environmental stressors. Your chances of getting pregnant can be increased by adopting coping mechanisms for common stress and anxiety. In the end, women must examine their everyday levels of stress honestly and devise methods for reducing some of it. A woman's health will benefit from this effort, and it will also improve her chances of getting pregnant. Keep your weight in check. One of the most important elements that affects both men's and women's fertility is weight. One of the best things you can do to increase your chances of conceiving is to maintain a healthy weight. Getting to a healthy weight can increase your chances of becoming pregnant and having a healthy pregnancy and child. Ovulation monitoring. Getting pregnant can be a tricky business. If you and your partner are having difficulties conceiving, monitoring your ovulation cycle can help you identify the best time to try and get pregnant. Fortunately, there are many simple steps that women can take to track their ovulation more accurately. Learning more about your body's natural rhythms will not only help you get pregnant faster, but it may also make getting pregnant easier once you begin trying to conceive. Whether you're just starting to try for a baby or want to get back on track with your ovulation after a few months of erratic cycles, these helpful tips can help you increase your chances of getting pregnant sooner rather than later. Add cardio and strength training in your routine. Exercising regularly might seem like a chore, but it's actually great for getting pregnant. When you exercise, you release certain chemicals in your body that help improve your overall fertility. For example, exercising increases your body temperature, which also increases your fertility. Exercising can also help improve your overall health, which can also help improve your chances of getting pregnant. This is because being more physically fit can help reduce your risk of developing certain diseases and conditions that could negatively affect your fertility, like diabetes and high blood pressure. Adding cardio or strength exercises in your routine helps to get pregnancy fast. Cardio exercises help your blood flow better and also regulate your hormones, which will make your body ready for pregnancy. To boost your chances of getting pregnant, try to do cardio exercises for 30 minutes, at least 5 times per week. If you want to optimize your chances of getting pregnant, you should add a bit of strength training in your routine. Strength training has many benefits, one of them being that it helps regulate your hormones. It does this by increasing your FSH hormone, which helps your body prepare for a pregnancy. Another great benefit of strength training is that it helps maintain your body weight. Strength training is also a great way to get rid of your stress. This will help your body relax and also prepare it for getting pregnant. Include a multivitamin. To give your relationship the best chance of producing a baby, it's never too early to stock up on folic acid and other beneficial vitamins before you begin trying. Just one multivitamin each day can increase fertility in both men and women by reducing the risk of chromosomal abnormalities and raising sperm count. A healthy diet packed with fruits, veggies, whole grains, nuts, and lean proteins is the key to great fertility. However, we all lead busy lives with hectic grocery shopping schedules and tight budgets. It's easy to let nutritional standards slide. A daily multivitamin makes it easier to get all the essential nutrients you need without spending hours hunting them down at the market, or putting together an entire salad every night. If you find the information helpful, then comment, share and like the video and subscribe our channel.